Hello everyone, and let's take a look at different verb patterns in English, verb plus ing and infinitive. What is it, how to use it, what is it, and some different rules. So ing or gerund or infinitive. When one verb follows another, it can be used with an ing form or infinitive form. Let's take a look at some examples. It began to rain. So we have verb number 1 and we have verb number 2. Did you remember to call the doctor? Remember, one verb, to call, another verb. The government keeps changing the regulations concerning COVID-19. Keeps changing. In this case, you see the ing ending. I enjoy listening to the opera. So listening is also in an ing ending. So when do we use which? Let's take a look. The form of the second verb depends on the first verb, and the following structures are possible. For example, verb plus infinitive. The verbs unfortunately have to be memorized. At some important time they become automatic and you don't need to think about it anymore, but at this point you have to memorize them. So the verbs are appear, attempt, decide, manage, need, offer, promise, seem, want. The student attempted to cheat during the final test. I need to let my husband know if I can pick up my daughter from the nursery. My mother promised to call me in the evening. Everyone seems to be happy with their presents. See, we have a verb plus infinitive. Another words or another construction that is possible is verb plus object plus infinitive. Advise, allow, encourage, invite, persuade, remind, request, tell. My lawyer advised me to sue the company. So, as you can see, advised is a verb, me is an object, and sue is another verb in infinitive form. Sammy encourages Lily to take swimming classes. To encourage is verb number 1. Lily is the subject, and to take is another verb in infinitive form. The teacher reminded the students, an object, to hand in the assignments on time. Another formula is verb plus the verb in ing form. The following verbs in the first position have to be memorized. Consider, deny, dislike, enjoy, feel, like, finish, practice, suggest. Let her talk. She likes talking in public, or dislikes talking. Well, then the sentence would make sense, but still, you see the ing ending. I finished practicing for my A level last week. My colleague suggested having lunch together. Sometimes we can have both. We can have a verb plus the verb with ing ending and a verb in infinitive. However, the meaning is quite different. Let's take a look at some examples. For example, the verb remember. Remember to buy eggs. I'm baking today. So you see, to buy is an infinitive. The meaning is to think about the future action. Another example, I remember staying up all night when I was younger. That's thinking about an action in the past. I don't know if you can see that. Another example, the verb forget. Don't forget to bring your mask. So infinitive means it sort of refers to the future action. I can't forget being screamed at, a long passive word in here, but nevertheless in ing ending, means we're thinking about the past action, so something that happened already. You see the tendency here by now. The same with the verb stop. I stopped to get some gas. So I stopped to do something in the future. Stop one action to do something else. Another one, they stopped producing this ice cream years ago, or ice cream, sorry, cream. Probably I'm hungry. The ing ending here has connection to the finished action. Another example, the verb try. Be quiet. I'm trying to concentrate here. So we have infinitive. The meaning is to make an effort to do something difficult. Why don't you try taking another route? So we have an ing ending. It might be faster as an experiment. I hope you like this explanation, and if you have any questions, please write your comments or ask me in the class.